Ehuriro egi etandikire omu muruka gwa Nyarugando mu district ya Rwampara aha abeegi ba Rwampara Vocational Secondary School batandikire omu kago n'abeegi n'abashomesa b'omu ihanga rya Sweden aha ishomero rya Business School Karlstad okushoma okurinda eby'obuhangwa.
Kuba amaze kutwegyesa okukora dustbins n'amakara n'okubyara emiti kinikire omuka nagambira abazaire banje tukagezaho kubyara emiti twarunda n'ebicupa byayo biri omu rubaju rw'omuka yitu twakora dustbins twaronda itaka iju rya kashenda twamixinga twakora amakara.
So turi hati mwe tureta consequence yo kubyara ekibira ntujya ngo wanoza kubyara ekibira at least ibyare bite nko mwani ibyo kubasa kwiha mu sente kandi nagwanye mu mwani ogumwe notambatambuka mu emite ndijo nk'emitoma utambike mu kaza avocado utambike mu kemishinya utambike mu nk'emisizi so kugira ngo emite kure gumize mo gendeza higuru ekore murumo kandi no mwana hasi nagwo gukora murumo nagwo gumwe ngo emite kuba ne ekora.
One big key thing I think for planting trees is you need a mix of species. You need like not only the eucalyptus, you need like mango trees as well and coffee trees. Because if you only use like eucalyptus, people will use it and cut it down for wood. So the biodiversity and the mix of species is one key thing, I think.
Ebi babigambire aha kuhendera omushomo ogumazire biro bishatu ahi babyire emituru 10 omu cyaro eki.
Omwe kuruga Sweden yanatugambira ngo muti kuba ari kuhinga umuti omuntu yahinga nkerizobo muti nikibani cyoreka ngo utari basa kugukozesa naba nago uhingira abana be abo ko muti kwika muri Sweden kwisa obuhango bwo kugira ngo ebase kukozesibwa no kusharurwa ngo omuntu wagubyara nabatakiriho n'ugwate myaka 10 konka babane batangari tuhanuya umuti wagubyara myaka 5 notandika kusharura emiti ya karitusi.
Omukagogu ogurikuza kumara emyaka 5 bagenderire okutayayira ihanga rya Sweden okubasa kumanya okwihangeri barikurinda ebyobuhangwa.
So the school will be like a center of these innovations, and they will spread the words and try to connect to the local people and involve them in these ideas.
And I think that is really good to conserve the environment.
Maybe it will be good if we do exchange, that they shall come to Sweden and like exchange, we come here, they come to Sweden.
Aba bashabe cyoma cyo gukora makara n'embibo z'emiti hamwe n'omwani okubasa kwera abatura omucyangeki okuhinga emiti erukurugamwe entasya obwe bambarinda ebyobuhangwa.
Ntwenda amashimira gandi garebereho icya kabiri community around ya Nyabukungu wo mu Rwampara yona nanguna na Uganda basagumana yija netunga skills neziya yishomereri.
Agaba Danson mukuru w'itendekero rya Rwampara Vocational Secondary School elitandikiro mu Kagweri na Business School Karlstad okurgo mu Sweden nagira ngu batorinwe ahabwe emyoga eyo barikushomesa abeegi na munongo mu kurinda ebyobuhangwa. Ndi Michael Tumwakire awa TV West omu district ya Rwampara.